It's actually a family business. The founder of this business is my father. He has first started this in 1968. We were young, myself, my brothers. We used to follow our father to support his business.
We have to knock the door. Some are very cooperative, some won't be very happy. It's all about how we approach our customers. You have to explain what product you are selling, get their attention. By the time we brief them, sometimes it will take about 2 hours.
I thought that I need to find something new to expand the business.
He was alone. He was the technician, he was the salespeople, he was the person who's going to close the deals and so on. Since the time is limited.
My customer, she told me that, hey, do you know that your premise is famous on the net? People are discussing about you in the internet forums. Then what I did is I started to promote my products via that particular website, and I found that the response is overwhelming. Then I realized that there is something to do about internet marketing. Going online, until now we have more than 20,000 solid customers, complete with the database that we have for our own business purpose.
Those days it took about 1 month to approach, say, 500 customers. Now 1 month I can approach maybe 100,000 customers.